Welcome to the 16th Biennial Jaina Convention to be held in Houston, Texas from July 1st to July 4th, 2011. We are very excited to welcome over 2,500 convention attendees. Our program committee has prepared an extensive program to address the spiritual and entertainment needs of kids, youths, adults and seniors. In this segment, I would like to introduce to you some of our leading sponsors.
आने वाले सभी मेहमानों का जो इस 16th कन्वेंशन में आए हैं उनका मैं हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। ये कन्वेंशन 4 दिन का है और अगर हम इसे देखें तो सभी उम्र के लोगों के लिए इसमें सारे प्रोग्राम हैं। 3 साल से ऊपर के सारे बच्चे या बड़े सभी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। अगर हम जैसे इस कन्वेंशन की थीम है लिव एंड हेल्प लिव।
Our kids and youth have been working with their teachers for quite some time to prepare programs for your entertainment. Let's now enjoy a glimpse of their signature Swagatam practice session. After that workout, let us now see a sampling of the menu by the food committee. Let's now meet the Turakhya family, one of the Sangpatis of this convention.
Jai Janendra.
Mukesh Bhai, would you care to share with us your feelings about the convention?
I mean, feelings-wise, I'm very excited. It is at our doorstep in Houston, and I'm looking forward to have a really successful convention. And it will be a great opportunity for all Jains to be united and stay for 3-4 days, get together and have a great time of fun, festivities, spiritual courses, and other things. I'm very excited.
Thank you, Mukesh Bhai. Mukesh Bhai, do you have any message for our youth?
If we, the first generation in the United States, leave a legacy for the younger people, how to live and let live, as well as how to be a sympathy, caring, and take care of each other, that is my message to the next generation. That please continue on this.
Thank you. Achieve. Staying with the goals of live and let live of the convention of 2011.
That's true.
Thank you, Mukesh Bhai and Nimi Ben.
Thank
for
you
coming
so
here
much.
today.
Thank you.
We have arranged stimulating religious and spiritual discourses for attendees of all backgrounds and ages. Let's quickly check out some of the highlights. Arranged for an extensive entertainment program for the next 4 days. Let us now check some of the highlights of these programs. The Lakhya family, one of the Sangpatis of this convention. Jai Janendra, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Dr. Ragini Ben Lakhya, one of our Sangpatis for the Jaina Convention 2011. Jai Jinendra, Ragini Ben.
Jai Jinendra.
So Ragini Ben, what do you think the convention is going to do for Jains of North America?
I think one of the thing it will do is all young Jain, they can get their life partner, and also all the Jains we can learn so many things from spiritual leaders and all the scholars about the Jainism.
At the Jaina convention, we would like for you to be very free about your young kids. Our Kids Club will keep your kids engaged with a variety of activities. We have also organized many sessions and programs for young adults. Let us now get a glimpse of all the youth activities. This convention would not be possible without the countless hours of service by over 100 volunteers. Enjoyed this Jaina bulletin. In parting, here is a brief message from our Pathshala students.
We're waiting for you.
आशा करती हूँ आप इन बच्चों की बात जरूर रखेंगे। जय जिनेंद्र।